for alligator, big and green. A says, ah! Let's learn what it means. Can you find the apple? Let's think. It's the apple. La! Hooray! Hooray! B is for bear, furry and brown. B says, buh! Let's say the sound. Which one starts with B? Ball or car? T-I. Let's think. It's the ball. Day, hooray, hooray. C is for cat, soft and sweet. Bray. Z says coo. Let's repeat. Which picture is missing? Let's think. It's the clock. Day, hooray, hooray. D is for dog, playful and fun. D says da. Let's learn one. Which one says woof? Dog or cat? Let's think. It's the dog. Day, hooray, hooray. E is for elephant, strong and tall. E says, hey, let's learn it all. Which one is bigger, eagle or mouse? Let's think. It's the eagle.